Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen. How are you all doing? I want to believe you are doing just beautiful. Today, I want to take you to my kitchen experience and see how I roll in the kitchen. Today, I want to be showing you how I make my diasporan Oha Soup. Yes, that's what I'm going to call it. This is the leaf. My friend gave me yesterday and I just got to make it today. This is the leaf, Oha leaf, and here are my ingredients. This is goat's meat and cow leg. This one is Nigeria cow skin. And this is the stock I'll be using. I'm using this stock. This one is dry egg fish. We call it banla. Here's the stock I'll be using, chicken stock, but I normally will use it for my soup. The palm oil. This one is the fresh egg fish. It's not sweet, but we just love seeing it in our soup. Crayfish. The scotch bonnet pepper. My salt. And I have 4 cubes here. Oh, can you see what just happened? Anyway, we'll sort that out. Then, this one is starch. I normally will use Cocoyam, but I don't have it, and this is what I want to use, and I want us to experience it together. Yeah. Then this is dry fish all the way from Nigeria, and this is Titus fish. I did grill that myself. So let's get to the kitchen as I do my thing. I won't be using the stove so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. So this is my stock. I've added it to the pots. The stock is already there. I'll allow it to boil while I prepare my fish, okay? See, at the end of the day, they are in bits and pieces. It really doesn't matter. So I want to start to put the ingredients one by one. Now this is the fish that I just washed. Just have to drop the cubes in now. I don't miss any. This I want to chop my pepper. Love seeing the next thing I want to do is to pieces the leaf, and I don't really know why they can't use cannot use a knife in chopping the leaves. This is how my friend taught me. This is how you get the leaf chopped. Next thing to do now is to take care of the starch that I told you that I'm using. Like I told you, I've not actually used this before. Let's see the outcome. So I'll need more water. Yeah. He's done his work. I think what I should worry about now is the texture. But I think it's okay if you ask me for now. I've just added the manla. Some of the stock and some of the crayfish. By the time I put the leaf, I'll add every other thing to it. I think locust beans, otherwise known as iru, also is one of the major ingredients that we use. We use this a lot in Nigeria. Wow. Here's the leaf already washed. Please, if you have the knowledge or if you know the reason why they don't use knife to chop the oha leaf, please, I want to know. Also, please leave it on the comment section. We are here on this platform to learn one or two things. God bless you once again. So I'll be adding the ingredients remaining now. I already used 2 cubes. Let me just cover it up. Friends, here is the outcome of the soup. If you ask me, I've not tested it, but if you ask me, I'll tell you I prefer the texture of the cocoyam to the starch. But you know, this is the aspirant soup, like I said, we need to improvise, which is what I've done. So in case you need to eat this soup and you don't have the cocoyam, this is what you can do alternatively.